If your heating and air conditioning system starts acting weird with fans or blowers turning on randomly, it might be because some wires got squished together. Okay, so when wires get compressed or mashed up, the insulation around them can get damaged or worn down, and that's when trouble starts. The electrical signals can jump from one wire to another, causing your fan or blower to kick on at weird times without any real reason. To keep things chill, make sure the wires are nicely spaced out and not crushed under anything heavy or tight. You want to keep the insulation on those wires looking fresh and intact because that stuff is what stops the electricity from leaking all over the place. If you notice any spots where the wires are pinched or rubbing against something, try to fix it by moving them apart or wrapping them with electrical tape for extra protection. Also, don't just shove a bunch of wires into a tiny space. Give them room to breathe so they don't get all tangled and stressed out. Taking these simple steps can save you from annoying, random fan noise and even bigger HVAC headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat and HVAC wiring problems is ignoring damaged insulation on wires, which leads to shorts and random blower activity. Fixing this means inspecting wires regularly and replacing any that look worn out. Another common issue is cramming too many wires into a small control box or conduit, causing excessive pressure that messes with wire signals. The fix is to reroute wires so they're not pressed together tightly. Lastly, a lot of folks forget to keep wires separated by type or function, which can cause crosstalk between the heating and cooling systems and make your thermostat act up. Organizing wires neatly and using wire separators can totally stop that. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to heating and air conditioning fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more work, BigHomeProjects.com helps connect you with people who really need your skills, making it easier to grow your business.